Sifuna is not speaking the truth. Tensions as Olekina fires at Sifuna over controversial remarks. Narok Senator Ledama Olekina has reunited debate within the opposition after dismissing claims that former President Uhuru Kenyatta funded election agents through Suna East MP Junet Mohammed. Olekina insisted that the narrative being pushed by ODM Secretary General Edwin Sifuna is misleading and does not reflect what truly happened during the election period. Speaking amid growing internal tensions in the party, Olekina alleged that the money in question never reached its intended purpose. According to the senator, portraying the issue as failure on the part of the former president is unfair and accurate. Olekina argued that Kenyatta had already played his role and that shifting blame amounted to distorting facts to political convenience. He further noted that such public accusation risked depending division within the opposition at a time when unite is needed to address broader national concerns. The senator maintained that leaders should be honest with supporters rather than recycle claims that cannot be backed with clear evidence. The remarks have added a new layer to the ongoing exchanges among ODM leaders, many of whom have recently taken contrasting positions on the party direction and past campaign strategies.